Catch me and share out some food. Catch me and eat up some food. Oh no, knows. Even though we don't have a full kitchen, we have to have a full meal. Look at that. Bird can explain how this tastes. Check it out. Look at that. You know we don't play. You know some my chicken have to fully cooked down. Straight down to the bone. I want to say big up all of my real subscribers them now. Work in progress same way. So we are going to take on step by step through it. Yes, the people so out here subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, hold it. So guys. So subscribe to the channel. Remember I go down. Like and share. Leave a comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Peace. Coming on beautiful my people. Yeah man, they're looking good. So I plant it in the bucket here so. Yeah, I can monitor it more properly. I can give it the right amount of sunlight. I can give the right amount of water. Another one. Yeah, see what I go on. My farm people. Yeah, 2 more around here so people. Yeah man, that go on good. Looking good, no? Yes man, people looking good. So I'm doing a little pumpkin patch now. Yeah, spring up and looking beautiful. But them leave here. Yes guys, looking good. I'm pumpkin right side of the coconut tree. Look at that guys. Beautiful. Oh, come on good people. Can't see me never get some pumpkin. Right now 5 pumpkin we have tonight people. 5 so far. And more ready for come. Lots more gonna come. We just have to just go and maintain it. Look at it guys. Yes, I have a dead tree in the garden. So when the rain fall and wash off it, I help manure it and keep it moist. Right now summer now guys, you know, get the rain and drought now. And look at it, still fresh. Every morning you get blossom. Crazy amount of blossom in it guys. Every morning them here open. Should about new one. Yeah, so I get a lot of pumpkin. Go and maintain it. Yeah man, and keep it up active. I want you guys to encourage me, like and share. And even donate to the channel too. Yes. Looking good people. Out here. Still a farm and you know see we are making a video where I do the farming. Yes people, looking good. So just there I go on all the vibes in our place, you know. Yeah, look out for some different kind of video guys. Look on that tape. Yeah. It's gonna be a fruitful summer this year guys, I tell you. So if you're living overseas, yeah, make sure you come in Jamaica this summer. Guys, I have 2 jelly here now. Yes, so yummy delicious. Yeah, I want to say big up all of my real subscribers them now. Near and far, big up on yourself, anyone there in the world. I know so now check in and watch the channel, you know, but I'm not liking up the video. I want to say big up YouTuber them out there, you know. Yeah, big up all the real YouTuber them, you know. Yeah, I want to tap in and link up, you know, because I'm ready for collab, you know, okay? So just tap in if you're watching this video. Yeah, get this message. Yeah, tap in. Tap in for collaboration. No care where you are, link up. Yes, people. Just there in a makeshift kitchen and get something clean up. As soon as we clean up this plate, I make sure that everything's scripty and fresh. Yeah, then I put on some food for the fire, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna look at wash table this guys. They get everything nice and fresh again. Yeah man, over there saying I makeshift kitchen, you know. That I go on man. So far so good. Yeah. I'm gonna look at barrel cover on here so. So that I go on people. Yeah, you know, so we're gonna start cook some food, but they want to finish up now. We're out here, get something wash up. Yeah, no roof. Then the makeshift kitchen, work in progress same way. So we are going to take on step by step through it. All the way go on when we are get it up. And all the way go on active people. Stay tuned. Chefing up some meal. Now that everything is fresh. Fresh up. Fresh guys. Everything clean now. Right, just we got some piece of chicken in and people see they actually out already. Yeah, deep frozen already people. So I line up some food now guys. I have to cook some food, you know my style. Yeah man, food have to heat man. Although we're not on the roof, food have to heat. Yeah, so check in when we get the thing seasoned up, everything active. Stay tuned for that man. Cause we'll eat some food. Stay tuned my people. It's gonna be yummy delicious. Guys, look what I go on now. Yeah man, the meat fully seasoned up, fully marinating. Got some natural season for peel and cut up on it. Some garlic. Got some red pepper from out of the garden. Yeah. Hot. Carrot, Irish, onion. Yes my people, out here in our makeshift kitchen. Everything active. Like and share. Subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Peace. Now that I got everything sorted out, everything fully cut, everything fully seasoned up, you man check out what I go on. Yeah, look at that. Yeah man, we got the Irish here, we got the carrot, we got the pepper. Can't use the whole light, you know, people are hot, you know. Get that marinated now and get it in the pot. I'm not going on outdoor cooking today. Yeah, I'm not going on outdoor cooking. I go on cooking indoor, but I'm not really going to show no indoor yet. I'm a 2-burner stove indoor, so I mash it up in there with some white rice. Yeah man, straight through that there, inside there. Yeah man, so out there, so in our kitchen part, season it up, everything prepped, everything clean up, everything fresh, ready for go up on the fire. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah man, we have a window right there, so when we cook, we can look outside and look on it, look down. Yeah. Yeah man, we have plant a group of things right here, so. So we got a noni right here, so. Noni right there, so we got banana and a tree right there, so. Yeah man, a noni come back in a season. Plus we got lime right there, so. Yeah, lime tree. So just fly in and go link up. Raw barn. Yeah. Road chicken and white rice actually done. Yeah man, it's a cook inside there, so you know. Yes, I'm just there. I go with a lot of vibes. Outdoor kitchen setting. All of my loyal people, if you no can donate, you know, donate, you know. Donate but to a cause though. You setting there guys. Yes people. I look at setting this, you know. Food actually done cook, or the rice cook already. But the chicken, you know, some my chicken have to fully cooked down. Straight down to the bone. The mango tree over there, so for cutting a car, all like that. Over the bathroom, and bathroom over that side. You know, reach nowhere still, but you can see a great progress. Me not go out with see away. Got one barrel there. Yeah, here's gonna be the kitchen window, guys. Yeah man, so catch me and share out some food. Catch me and eat up some food. Yeah, I got a one beets here with some ginger. So we'll get it blend up and now get the juice active. You know we don't play. Food fully cooked up now people. Check it out. Look at that. Yes. There's some brown stew chicken here, so guys. Yeah man, carrot and Irish and some white rice. Yeah man, beetroot with ginger upon the rack with people. That a go on guys. Out here in the makeshift kitchen, you know the thing go. So we have to leave it, go on here and support the channel. Feel free to do so. Yes. Red can explain how this tastes. Fully cooked. Yes, my people. Look at that. People when I cook, tell my finger I want to eat. Even though we don't have a full kitchen, we have to have a full meal. Yeah, yes guys. For all of my people who did there from day one, I'm gonna big up on yourself. And I say big up all of the people who support me already. You know yourself. Yeah, big up yourself. I'll chicken liver at night now. People pepper hot. Some beetroot drinks here with some ginger. Yeah, don't I live good in my makeshift kitchen. Still I live nice. 9 to 5 blogging later. Check in, make sure say you don't miss that one. That one gonna be unique and different. Yeah. Who knows. You know what thing go. Subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.